Also tonight, some end-of-year figures for YouTube and Spotify. Born Fighter, the #1 streamed song on YouTube in Jamaica. Chronic Law, the #1 streamed artiste. And on global Spotify, Sean Paul leading the rest of the dancehall field. Sean Paul again with No Lie featuring Dua Lipa, the top dancehall song. Bob Marley and the Wailers, global Spotify's perennial reggae favorites.
I wanna love you.
But Musical Youth with Pass the Dutchie, the #1 reggae song.
Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side.
Meanwhile, on Spotify Jamaica, Skeng and Tommy Lee have the top track, courtesy of Protocol. And Drake, the #1 artist in Jamaica for the second year running.
And the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now.
They are both figures compiled by World Music Views.